In today's digital era, the opportunity to earn income online has become a viable option for many. Whether you are looking to supplement your income, pursue your passions, or even switch careers entirely, there are countless paths to explore. Determine your passion and skills. The first step in earning online is identifying what you love and what you're good at. This could range from graphic design, writing, programming, teaching, consulting, or even retailing products. Explore online platforms. Once you have narrowed down your niche, explore various platforms that cater to your interests. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Etsy, Coursera, and Shopify provide opportunities for freelancers, educators, and sellers alike. Create a portfolio. Your portfolio is your virtual resume. It showcases your skills, experience, and services offered. Make it visually appealing and comprehensive, so potential clients or employers can easily understand your value. Build your online presence. Establishing yourself online requires consistency and visibility. Create social media profiles and a website to showcase your work and interact with your audience. Network and collaborate. Networking online can be incredibly beneficial. Engage with forums, participate in webinars, and collaborate with other professionals in your field. These interactions can lead to opportunities and valuable connections. Stay updated and enhance your skills. The online market is ever-changing. Stay updated with trends and continuously enhance your skills to remain competitive. Free resources are readily available, from online tutorials to forums. Set goals and stay motivated. Setting clear, achievable goals is key. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. Remember, earning online is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Motivation. The idea of earning online is exciting, but consistency and determination are crucial. Believe in your capabilities, surround yourself with supportive individuals, and cherish the journey.